This is the demo for the website portion of Team F's 3560 final project, which is a website and mobile application for the League of Legends Club at Ohio University. Here is our homepage, which has our welcome and club name. Our background and cursor are League of Legends themed, and our favicon up on the tab is the logo for the club. You can also download and view our privacy policy here, which details how we use Google Sign-In and its information. This is necessary for us to be validated with Google, so the users go through a shorter verification process when logging in. Then going to our About page. This just details our club mission and goals, and our founders and current officers and their information. Next is our Events page. This just has our Google Calendar, which is live updated with any changes we make to events or adding events and anything we do to our calendar, so our members can stay updated with everything we're doing. Users can also add this calendar to their own Google Calendar by clicking this here, so they're able to view it along with everything else in their own calendar. Next is the coaching page, which will be required to sign into, so we know who is submitting the form and we can match it with a person. Before signing in, I'm going to show this is our Google authentication backend. These are all of the users that we have had signed in before. The account that we're going to sign in with is not here in this list, so we'll show that it comes on the list whenever we sign in. Also, here's the backend, our database, which is currently empty, which we will show additions to later. So here, signing in with Google, we will use our club account. Users who have not signed in previously to their browser will have to go through entering their email and password and the verification from Google. So now I will fill in all this information. And we can then submit it and see that this information I just put in is now in our database, so we can view it and match them with the coach. Also, the account we used to sign in just after a refresh is now shown in the list, so we have an active list of all members who have logged in. The links on the side here open our email and the user's choice of email service. The Twitter link opens our Twitter. And then our Facebook page. Next is our feedback page. This also requires users to sign in, but our website remembers who is signed in and not, so you will not have to sign in more than once you are signed in already. So we can enter information here. And submit this, and it will also go to our database under our feedback form. So we have this collection here, and we can see people's feedback. The links here work the same way as the coaching page. The last main link on our website is Join the Discord, which will open up Discord's website. And if the user has Discord already installed on their computer, it will just ask them to launch Discord and they can join the server. If not, it will ask them to create an account and download Discord from there, which they can join our server. Users can also sign out of their account at any time, which renders feedback and coaching pages blank again. And that is all for our website. This is the demo for the mobile application portion of Team F's 3560 final project, which is the mobile application and website for the Ohio University League of Legends Club. Upon first opening the app, the user will be asked to log into their Google account in order to see the full contents of the app. So I'll log in to my account. Once logged in, the user can view our entire application. Starting at the bottom bar, our first button is the calendar, which opens the club's Google Calendar and a browser. First, making the user log in with their Google account, which I will not do to save time. Next is our Discord button, which opens Discord and the invitation link to join our server for the club. Then there's our More button, which allows us to open the Contact Us page, which has our club and officer emails, plus links to our club Twitter page and Facebook page, if they're logged in Facebook. They can also view our privacy policy, which details how we use information from Google Sign-In. Our first main page is our announcements. In this, users can view all of our announcements, so they're always up to date on club events. Not all users will be able to see this plus button, only authorized administrators, of which I am one, so I can add new announcements. New announcements are sent to our Firestore backend, and whenever there's any update to that Firestore collection, this page is automatically updated, so all users are always up to date on anything we put out. Next is our points page, which allows the user to view their current points and add more points by scanning our code. We'll be using points to enter each member into a raffle at the end of each month, so more points means they have a better chance. And we'll be having our QR code and keyword at each event, so coming to more events means more points for them. So scanning the QR code asks for camera access and opens up our website, a hidden portion of it for them to enter this information. So if they can confirm their Gmail and enter the word, then it will be sent. However, if they enter the wrong word, it will catch that and it won't let them enter anything. If they do the right word, then it will accept it and increase their points. However, if they try the right word again, it will catch that and not let them gain more points. Now that we're done with that, their points increased by the amount we wanted it to. Next is our coaching page, which allows the user to fill out the form to request coaching from another member. After filling out the form, they can then submit it, and it is sent to our database where we can view and match them with a coach. Our last main thing is our feedback page, in which users can enter feedback and submit it, which is also sent to our database where we can view it. And here is our Firestore backend, where we keep our list of announcements that is displayed in the mobile application, as well as our coaching and feedback forms that are submitted by the users. We also keep our points here, where we have each user, how many points they have, and the list of words that they've used already. And we keep our list of keywords here that are valid words for the users to enter. Our last thing is our sign out button, in case they ever would like to just sign out of the app. And that is all.